My name is Tom and I'm going to show you how to repot those trees. Let me come back here and put this out. Oh,
But why are you repotting the trees?
because I want it to live even better.
But how come? Like why can't it just stay in that pot forever?
Because it have to live in a different one and then it will be happy tree.
Okay, so how do you repot? Show me. What do?
You put dirt in first and then you put it in.
Okay.
Find it.
Okay. And how much dirt do you use?
Only that much. And then you put more dirt when you put in. Wait, can you help me hold it?
No, I can't.
So I can't move.
Yeah, you can do it.
Oh, you want it to be like that?
I don't know. I think you're using wrong hands. Figure it out.
Oh, it's
That looks better. That's about right.
not like that wrong.
Okay.
Or it can be that wrong.
Mm. Are you done?
No.
Okay. Bye.
Oopsie, I dropped
Oh no! We saw a crack.
a track.
Your butt was showing.
Oh, let me.
Okay. Oh, okay.
That's because my pants is not coating.
Oh, okay. All right. You need a belt, don't you? Okay. So is your plant done yet?
No.
Okay.
That's because you said you saw a trap.
I know. Your pants was sagging, and you didn't wear your underwear for some reason.
That means you have to buy a belt for me.
Okay. Now what do you do now after you put it in? Or is it enough dirt yet?
No.
No? Oh God.
Because it's not high enough.
Oh, it's not high enough. Okay.
I have to do that with my hand.
Okay.
Because that's working.
Well, that probably take a very long time if you use your hands. So,
Why the dirt keep moving away?
maybe we don't have enough dirt.
Okay. That's so much.
Are you tired now?
I'm getting tired.
Oh, that's great. How many of these repotting do you think you can do in one day?
A lot.
A lot? Are you sure you have enough energy?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, is your plant done yet?
No,
No?
it had to be even higher.
Oh dear. Okay.
You see?
Where?
You see?
Oh, it's okay. So it's almost there, right?
Uh-huh. It
Okay.
had to be all the way up.
Okay, all the way up. Okay.
Into that is empty.
Is your back hurting now?
No.
Hmm.
I'm trying it again. Oh, it's still not kind of.
And it's still not high enough. So, what kind of plant is this?
Can you,
You forgot?
snow?
You remember what's it called?
What? I don't know.
It's called rosemary.
Rosemary.
Oh, and what do we do with it?
We still do that until it's full.
Don't we eat it?
Huh?
Don't we eat the rosemary plant?
Let me
You look pretty serious right there. What are you looking at?
I'm trying to find a picture where you say you eat it.
No, I mean that it's edible. It means sometime mommy cut it and then mommy use it to cook. Yeah?
You eat it.
Not right now, no. I use it to bake.
No, I mean when it's dry.
It's not right. No, I mean like this you can harvest it, but you gotta cook it to get all the flavors.
I mean when you cook it.
Yeah.
And that's my stick that we use to it.
Okay. So is the tree is the planting done yet?
No.
No.
I have to try again.
Oh dear. At this rate, I don't know how many pots we can do in a day.
It will take a long time.
Oh wow. Okay. But you have plenty of time, don't you?
Have to get all the dirt back there. First, I need more dirt.
You need more dirt. Well, it looks like we gotta go buy more dirt.
Okay. Oh, it's dropped.
So it's good now?
No. It's still not high enough.
But if you keep squishing it down, it will never be finished. You know, every time you compact the soil, it makes it very flat. You know, so if you keep squishing the soil down, it never seems to be finished.
Okay.
I think it's enough now, Love. What do you think? How about instead of pushing it down, compacting it, let's just shake the pot. So now it will just even out instead of you compacting it down. So let's put the tag in. Let's put the tag in so we don't misplace it.
I put it back here, so it won't be too
Okay.
deep.
Let's turn it around. Ta-da! Okay.
Ta-da.
So let's say bye, friend.
Bye, friends.
See you next time.
I don't want to.
Why?
Because I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
I'm sad because I want them to come back here.
Oh, you want to have play dates, huh? There's no play date during this time. It's hard to get any play date right here. Well, it's okay. Hopefully school will start soon. So say bye, friends.
Well, I want them to play date, but I want us to play date with them too.
Yeah, in 2 months you get play date in school. How about that? Okay, love. Can you give me a smile? No, are you still sad? How about you smell the plant? Smell the plant. Tell me, how does it smell? Love, are you pretending to be sad? Do I see a smile? You're laughing. Come look at mommy. Oh, so this is called barbecue rosemary. You want to smell it? You want to smell it?
I want to do this dirt to you.
How does it smell? Does it smell like barbecue?
It smells like birthday cake.
Birthday cake? Oh dear. I think they meant barbecue means you put this rosemary on the barbecue when you're barbecuing. I don't think it smells like barbecue. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fun video clip on repotting.
Tomorrow you come to our house.
Oh dear.
Because we want to play with the slime.
Oh, okay.
And the cat too.
He likes friends, apparently. Lack of play date these days.